Both the Houses of Parliament today witnessed continuous disruption following opposition uproar over yesterday's Lok Sabha security breach incident. The Lok Sabha has been adjourned for the day, while the Rajya Sabha till 4 p.m. In the Lok Sabha, when the House met after the second adjournment at 3 p.m., opposition members continued with their sloganeering over the incident. They were demanding Home Minister Amit Shah's statement on the matter as well as action. A similar scene was witnessed in the Rajya Sabha. When the upper house reassembled after fourth adjournment at 3 p.m., members from Congress, TMC, DMK, LEFT, RJD, Shiv Sena UBT and others continued with their protests over security breach issue. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today called on the